who I am. This chapter speaks about diversity. It tells us that everyone has something special in him or her, and everyone is unique in their own way. In this chapter, there are 6 different children whose uniqueness has been shared. Radha, Nasir, Rohit, Sarbjeet, Dolma, and Peter are these 6 children. Now, let's begin with the story of Radha. Radha shares her favorite act is climbing trees. Outside her house, there was a mango tree. She loves to climb that tree. Its branches covered a large area which made it easier to climb, and she sits comfortably in the bifurcated part of the tree. Her mother tried to stop her from climbing trees by saying that it was not good for girls. But one noon, she also climbed with her, and both of them enjoyed their talking and eating raw mangoes. Radha said that climbing trees makes her happy, and she feels as if she could rule the whole world. Now, this is Nasir. Let's listen to his story. Nasir says that after growing up, he would like to become a seed collector. As his family had cotton fields, and every year his father had to spend a good amount of money on buying seeds to grow new cotton plants. He wants to stop this expenditure. His grandfather told him that in their times they used to get seeds from their own plants. These seeds were used to grow new plants, but these days it doesn't work. Nasir wants to know why it is so. He wants to search the ways to preserve seeds as it would help them in saving money that is rather wasted in buying new seeds. Now here is Rohit. Let's listen to his part. Rohit likes to travel. He says that if he had a big amount of money, he would like to travel a lot. He wished to visit the mountains of New Zealand because they look good in magazine pictures. He also wants to raft on the Amazon River in South America. He wants to live on the beaches of Lakshadweep. And he wants to dive down to see coral. His wish list also includes Konark Temple in Orissa, the old city in Beijing in China, and the pyramids in Egypt. But more than old buildings, Rohit enjoys seeing nature. Now this is Sarbjeet. Now let us listen to his part. Sarbjeet feels angry when people don't believe him even when he speaks the truth. When he spoke the truth, people did not believe him. They thought that he was lying to them. For example, if he couldn't complete his work because Ravi borrowed his book and did not return it, or if he couldn't score good marks even though he studied. Or when he tells his parents that it wasn't him but his little brother who started the fight, they didn't believe him at all. No one was ready to believe him, neither his teachers nor his parents. The look on their faces angers him. Sarbjeet has to make efforts to control his anger. He tries to control his anger by looking down at his shoes and counting to 10. Now, here is Dolma. Let's see what she wants to share. Dolma wants to be the Prime Minister to serve and make things better for everyone. People laugh at her ambition, but she was confident that she would surely do it. Whenever her classmates had problems, they asked her for solutions. Her teacher showed trust in her whenever something needs to be done in the school. Further, she wants to make good hospitals, roads, and schools for the country. She also wants that good scientists should be there so that cures for disease could be found, and she wishes to send spaceship to Mars. Now here is Peter. Let's listen to what he wants to share. Peter's favorite day was second Sunday of every month. On that day, their family used to go out to watch a film. His father would bring tickets beforehand for the film. They all, his parents, grandmother, 2 brothers and himself would take a bus to reach the cinema hall. During break time, his father would buy peanuts for them, which he loved to eat in the darkness of the hall while watching the film. After the film is over, they would stop to eat ice cream. Peter feels that everyone is in a good mood and they feel very fortunate that they are a happy family. So, this chapter, Who I Am, taught us about the quality of each individual. This gives us a chance to understand who we all are. All the people on earth are different, yet we are all interesting people in different ways. Each one of us has different features, different likings and dislikings. All of us are skilled and talented in some way or the other. The most important thing is to understand and respect these differences.